Hello, we have one of our quantum that's having an issue, a squeaking noise issue. And what we are trying to do is to do some investigation on to where the squeaking noise might be coming from. What we know is that it's coming from the motor area, but we don't know exactly uh, where. So we will do a small investigation. So the first thing we want to do is we will try to lift the chair just a little bit. Here we have a wood on the bottom to lift the tire. Our investigation will be done on the right hand side today, so we will be focused on the right tire. So we have the chair lifted using a piece of wood, and so what we're going to be doing is taking off the right drive wheel. So we do that by using a half-inch socket, and we have to remove five nuts. So unscrew the 5 nuts and remove the tire. Now, one of the first things we want to check is make sure that everything is properly tightened, starting with the fender. So a loose fender can be, touching the wheel, causing the squeaking noise. We want to make sure all the parts are like move freely. There's nothing, they're not touching each other. So we have everything tightened, because a loose part is capable of causing the squeaking. So one of the first things we want to do is push the motor down, up and down. See if to kind of see if we can find where the squeaking is coming from. So press it a couple of times and to locate the squeaking. So on this particular chair, there's no squeaking. So we are simply doing a demonstration on how to locate and possibly solve the squeaking noise issue. So usually the squeaking noise most likely will be coming from the junction where the motor attaches to the frame. So one of the first thing we want to do is looking at this area, which is the junction where the motor attaches to the frame. So what we're going to be doing is starting by loosening this a little bit, and then using our loop to putting a lot of loops here on the junction, making sure the loops goes all the way in. And then after doing that, we can come back and press the motor down, up and down. And one of the things we want to do also is removing this this bolt right here, which attaches the link arm, the right link arm to the frame. So we're gonna remove that. We will remove it, and then after remove it, put a lot of loop in there, and then kind of wiggle it many times to make sure that the loops, the lubricant go all the way in. So after that, secure it back. Here we want to make sure that everything is free. Want to make sure that nothing is, none of the spring or suspension is scratching against anything. We want to look at this suspension here. This is the Ilevel suspension. We want to make sure that it's not touching, it's not rubbing against the link arm. So we want to check everything, check there's no debris or anything stuck in there causing the noise. So think if we check all of that, put a lot of loop, I think it should fix the issue.